Ito po isang complication kasi magsisimula na yung trial ng ni impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. As we speak, sino yung nagfa-function as, the acting Senate President? Kayo po 'yan, 'di ba? Pero kayo rin ba nagha-handle ng mga communications and all those things
Yes,
related
by,
to the
oper-
impeachment?
by operation of our rules, since ako acting Senate President, so I monitor the impeachment activities. Meron tayong clerk of court, which is the secretary na gumagawa naman ng yung talagang paperwork, no? At meron rin buong team sa loob ng Senado na nag-handle ng pinakadetalye na, no? So I met with them also yesterday para masigurado na yung impeachment calendar ay nasusunod.
Teka, pero ano po, kayo yung nagfa-function na as Senate
Yes,
President on an acting capacity?
yes, yes, definitely.
Okay. Inisip ko kasi baka nahahati naman yung focus ng mga rank and file ng Senado dahil baka kinakausap sila ni Cayetano. Teka, ako yung susunod kay Sherwin Gatchalian, ako yung Senate President, sa akin kayo makinig.
Admittedly, Christian, meron talagang mga nalilito. Maraming nalilito. In fact, siyempre, yung iba natatakot, no? Dahil baka sila kasuhan o matanggal sa trabaho or dereliction of duty. So maraming natatakot. In fact, yan din naging issue namin yesterday, no? Hindi mo maalis yan, hindi ko masisisi sila, no? In ganitong mga situation, marami tayong mga employees, even yung mga security employees natin, nalilito sila, no? And it affects their function. Kaya, but we told them na we have to be very clear at very decisive na itong new leadership will be the one taking charge and also issuing orders.
Mm. Sa sa impeachment trial, sino po magpe-preside?
Ako ang acting Senate President, so I will be the one presiding the impeachment proceedings.
Okay, pero wala pa po kasing na-e-elect na na Senate President. Pero kayo yung sinusulong ng inyong grupo, hindi po ba?
For Senate President?
Opo.
Yes, yes, of course.
Mm. So yun nga, if that happens, kayo talaga yung magpe-preside during the trial for the whole duration?
Yes, by operation of law and rules na.
Opo, kasi may ibang nagpo-float ng idea na pwede kayong mag-appoint ng presiding officer. I don't even know whether that's allowed.
That's allowed. That's also allowed. No, so pwede rin mag-appoint ang hindi ako, no, but mag-appoint ang body ng presiding officer.
Yun nga po. So, ang inisip ko yung complication Papaano baka dumating yung punto na nag-convene na kayo uli at sa impeachment court pero issue pa rin yung Senate presidency at maki-question yung presiding officer. Hindi ba masyadong magulo po yun if that happens?
Well, very clear naman sa ating rules at sa by operation of law na yung acting Senate President will also preside. That's the function of the acting Senate President kasi kung may mga ganitong vacuum, siya ang pumapasok doon. Importante kasi ang organization and process tuloy-tuloy. That's why may mga deputy tayo, may vice tayo, may acting tayo, may OIC para tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho, walang vacuum. Yan rin ang kino-contemplate ng rules natin na walang vacuum, no? Para tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho.